Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be looking at keywords everywhere Firefox. So the keywords everywhere Firefox extension is for those using the Firefox browser. So we do use the Chrome browser, so that's why we've been working on them. So but for those using Firefox, so all you just need to do is to check for the keyword everywhere Firefox extension from the Firefox add-on store. Okay, so just search the keywords everywhere Firefox, and the first result there, obviously, that is going to come out is going to be the Mozilla add-on market. Okay, store where you can get the plugin. So let's click and go ahead and install it. So we're here on the page, and if you can see the ratings here is beautiful from over 22,000 users are using this, and I have 383 reviews of 4.4 rating. So let's go ahead and click and add to Firefox. Okay, so it pops up here and we click add. So we click here and we said, okay, so the plugin has been installed on our Firefox browser. So just as we do on the Chrome, we just have to get the API key, click on get API key after that. So we provide the email that we want to use. Then when we provide an API key, a free API key will be sent to us. But after that, we won't be able to use it because we need to purchase a credit. So while we're doing this, let's just open a new tab here and search for short crash course, for instance. If you look at this, there is no search volume or statistics. See, just like what we have in the other one. See, this is now a paid keyword everywhere feature. Purchase the plan to see the Google metrics below. Okay, so we're not seeing anything here until we have to provide. So you pop in the email, you click on these two terms and say email me the API key, and API key will be sent. But since we have the API key already, we're not going to be doing that. So we click on the extension button here and go to the settings for keywords everywhere. Okay, first let's pin to the toolbar like we usually do. We click and pin, so it's here. So we click on this from here and then we go to the settings. So we're going to be entering the API key since we have the API key already so that we can start getting statistics and data for this thing. We've already checked and we realized that it's not showing. Okay, so now we need to get the API key and insert so that we can start seeing data. Okay, so where is the API key? That's what I'm looking for. Okay, so we can borrow that from here. Let's borrow that from here. So we click here. Okay, give it a second. Click here. It's taking a while. Okay, so we go to settings and we copy. So I'm copying the API key from the Chrome browser that we have already. So I'm heading back to Chrome, to Firefox rather. So I paste the API key here, then I click validate. Okay, so you see the API key is validated now. So it will come back to our search that we had, and let's just refresh the page. We should start seeing statistics now on our Firefox browser. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so we're waiting for our keyword statistics, our keyword matrix. Okay, so now here we go. So it's showing the volume here 20, showing the CPC here, and on the sidebar here, we have related keywords and their search volume. So this is one of the things that burns your credit usage faster. The related keywords here, sometimes you might not need them, you see. This has used quite a lot of credit now, 13 credits, and this has used 8 credits, and so on and so forth. So just like in the Chrome browser, there is a video that talks about how to optimize your credit usage. And you can do that too on Firefox. All you just need to do is to click on the icon we have here and then go to settings. So from settings, you can scroll down to supported sites. This you can disable all this and only allow Google search to be there. Then for the related keywords, see related widgets, Google Bing, PASF widget, Google, trending widget, Google and YouTube, long tail keyword, you disable all this, okay? So that would help reduce your credit usage. So guys, that will be all for now on Keywords Everywhere Chrome, Firefox, Keyword Everywhere Firefox extension. On the next video, we're going to explore more and show you how to do other things. That will be all for now. Bye for now.